Don Honorio Ventura State
Pinning
University.
ceremony of the
Pinning and candle lighting ceremony.
Don Honorio
Let us
Ventura
witness the
College of Arts
processional
and
march.
Trades.
Don Honorio
That's my
Venture
Jen
College
Jen.
of Arts and Trades
Who's going
before.
to
Now Don Honorio Venture State
have
University.
this or practice teaching. This is Don Honorio Ventura College of Arts and Trades. It is a very big school that is producing thousands and thousands of students or of students who are very good with their studies. These are future teachers. One of them is my daughter, Jeneline Herrera.
Here's Jen and her dad. Together with pre-service, they march. Way to go, Jen.
This school caters to more
That's a
than
nice umbrella.
20,000 students. It's a big school. Jen, how many enrollees do you have in this school? Huh? You don't know? Could you have more than 20,000? Huh? Okay. I heard you have 34,000. But that includes the high school students. As you can see, I am here for my daughter.
Hello, this is me. Entrance of the gymnasium.
Okay na kayo kanya. Okay tayo na kanya. PSI.
Wah.
Ano?
Alipin kasi, at this point kasi, they're not yet aware eh.
Oo.
They're not yet aware kitang responsibility na as would be teachers.
Pero dyan po rin, ano?
Most of the time, if not naman, siguro mga 50%.
Kanya mag-umpisaya na buri. Pero ngayon buri na na. Mama, teacher na ako, ana.
Usually,
Proud
they
yan.
parent ilang mikiburi na mag-teacher na rin anak.
Proud ya rugoy nga na
Pero
ako.
kaya kasi, we want to emphasize
Ay, salamat,
to them na kahit na, kumbaga, in teaching, balutan
Wala naman. Calling yun. Alam mo, pera, kaya na nakako kaya.
Ngawa naman ko.
Naman. Marakal da kala mo rin din, ina. Sana may employ lang.
that the university can offer. The college made this event beneficial more so for being a mother to this family of faculty and students. And of course, to pre-service teachers with their parents who are the main actors for this morning's affair. Your presence is beyond commendable. Most of all, to our dear Lord for having all of us here today and making this activity possible. For that, I wish everyone the best for the whole academic year of 2023 to 2024. Your role as an educator is of vital significance as you dedicate your time, effort, knowledge, skills, and values to mold the future of the youth. With that, the COE family congratulates you all, and may the force be with you. Before I end this message, allow me to share this line. This is for you, my dear pre-service teachers. Spread your wings and prepare to fly, for you have become a butterfly. Fly abundantly into the sun. If you should return to me, we truly meant to be. So spread your wings and fly, my dear pre-service teachers. With that, I say thank you, good morning, congratulations, good luck, and may God bless us all.
President, Dr. Enrique G. Baking, the very hardworking Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Risa Bidintag, fellow chairpersons, Dr. Annalyn Laksabana, Sir Julius Cesar Tolentino, and Dr. Wilfredo Cunanan, members of the faculty, student-teacher coordinators, Ma'am Gail, Trisha Gail Bondo, Sir Jeffrey, Ma'am Eloisa Mendoza, and Sir Jensen Baking, student-teachers, their families and friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all. Wala po bang sagot? Good morning!
Good morning. Good morning.
21st century education defines teaching as not only consisting primarily of lecturing students who are seated in rows and desks, dutifully listening and recording what they say, but rather schools should offer every child a rich, rewarding, and unique learning experience, and teachers who are competent and compassionate. Environment is not even confined to the four walls of the classroom, but extend into the home and the community and to the world at large. Information and learning is not bound primarily
and candle lighting ceremony. This event intends to create a mark on your essence and substance as a future educator. Your chosen field awaits your dedication, enthusiasm, and your endless love for your students and your love for learning. The pinning ceremony is an opportunity for all new teacher candidates, college alumni, to recognize the infinite commitment that teachers make to the college and the profession, and their pledge to serving society as a whole in one of the most noble of all professions, a teacher. The ceremony symbolizes a profound commitment to the work and the relationship that takes place between a teacher and a student, and even the family, community, and society. Prior to the beginning, the field experiences in schools, this formality carves a milestone in the teacher candidate's vow to lifelong learning and professionalism. The act of receiving the pin is both an agreement and an acknowledgement to the heart of this vocation. It is about coming together in solidarity, in community, and in mutual support of a noble purpose, of hard work, and of commitment to a cause far larger than oneself.
To present to you the 41 pre-service teachers under the Bachelor of Secondary Education Major in Mathematics program, starting with Abelio Caril M. Azor Crizel Angela T. Thank you. Uno Glenbert S. Razon Joven F. Rojas Clay G. Sanchez Nika E. You may now start pinning. You may now start pinning. Valderrama Marilu S.
It is my honor and privilege to present you our pre-service teacher, technical vocational teacher education, major in food and service management. To start, we have Acordon Kyla C. Antido Sheila B. G. Ascaraga Lalaine L. Uwan Sander G. We may now start. Now start reading.
Honored parents offer service teachers.
Thank you so much. Next we have Mendoza Jegaline S. Morales Il Sydney A. Bayumo Kyla B. Piedra Abigail D. Pineda Ira Joyce S. You may now start reading. Next, we have Salega P. Sanchez Abigail N. Santos Annabel C. You may now start reading. Thank you so much. And lastly, for the meeting event program, we have Sikian Erika S. Kaya G. Yongson Jericho G. Vital Ryan James. And Zapata Laika Marie F. You may now start reading. Next up, the pre-service under the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. Starting with Agustin, Christine May P. Bansil Gia P. Bautista Maurice. You may now start picking.
Ay, sorry. O nga pala.
Thank you so much. Next, we have the AKA Gender Flow. David Kyra Reed. Thank you so much. Next, we have Sweet Carl Francis M. Teodoro Jonacel P. Trinidad Aaron D. Tuhul Leslie A. Valdez Eliza May N. You may now start. Thank you so much. And last but not the least,
Background mamaya sa ano. Yung
Congratulations to all.
YouTuber ako eh. I-upload ko sa ano, sa YouTube.
Angelica Monique M. Nuki Romilly M. You may now start pinning. Now start pinning. Thank you. Next, Pangilinan Mary Joy M. Perillo Janelle L. Ramos Jerica P. Rodrigo Ricame P. Salatino Shania Jane G.
Next, we also have Dabu Darrell C, Dalisay Trishanay D, David Erica Q, De Jesus Maria Jim Rashni M, and Del Rosario YFL. Okay, next we have Matukina Daisy May A, Pascual Shurna A, Pineda Kaina R, Villa Jeline T, and Puno April C. Okay, next we have Manda Raymond Kyle B, Maniago Janeta M, Marquez Ana Pilsan B, Medrano Abigail C, and Mendoza Roxanne B. You may now start painting.
Hello. Alam pa. Paki. Wah. 11 o'clock ako.
Okay, next we have Miyake Jessa M, Pamalan Christine and C, Paloma Therese May G, Paras J C, Henrietta Justine R. Regala Ian G,
Jo. Smile. Oh. Dia punya aku.
Agasa Keith S, Araneta Regine C, Bagtas Juliet S. Rain Allison A, Gutierrez Axel L, Herrera Jeneline S, Lopez John Michael M. You may now start pinning. May B, Manalastas Rodel III G.
If you enjoyed what you watched, Rydia comment and say, I subscribed so we may answer all your questions. Thank you guys. Again, please hit the subscribe button for us to answer all your questions. Thank you, guys.
Ending. Ay, sabi mo kang Jen, i-video nito.